Hello, I'm Jenna Rigg from Singularitee. We're an outsourced IT department specialising in Microsoft 365, and we absolutely love helping businesses get the most out of their Microsoft 365 subscription. Microsoft 365 has so many productivity tools that businesses can use to improve their productivity and workflows. One of those is Microsoft Bookings, which is a scheduling tool that helps businesses manage appointments and bookings easily. This is a great alternative to Calendly, and guess what? It's included in your Microsoft 365 business subscription. So let's take a look at it. You can access bookings via the web by typing in book.ms into your web browser. Simply sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. You can see here I'm already signed in, so it's brought up my booking page straight away. Now you can see I've already created some personal booking pages and also some shared booking pages. This tutorial today will be running through how to create a personal booking page. So you'll see create meeting type here. If we click that, we get to add a new meeting type. So we're going to book a one-to-one meeting in person. I don't know about you, but there are so many times where I want to meet with somebody and we're bouncing dates backwards and forwards. Are you free then? No, I'm not free then. Oh, how about this? So this is just so much easier. Now we can create a category if we like. I'm not going to bother. And this meeting is all about book time with me to discuss our businesses and how we can help each other. You can put whatever you want in there, but as long as it's relating to the meeting type, then you shouldn't go far wrong. Now in this case, this is an in-person one-to-one meeting. So this is the Teams meeting toggle. I'm going to untick that. All that means is if that is on, then you will be sending an invite to meet on Microsoft Teams. We're not going to do that because it's in person. The meeting is going to last an hour, and we can either make this public so it appears on your booking page entirely, or you can make it private so that only people with a booking link can book the meeting. So I'm going to change that to private. And here now, let's create some meeting hours. Now I want to customize my availability. What would happen if I chose regular meeting hours? Then it's just going to look at what my working hours are in the business. It connects to my Outlook, but I don't want people to book anytime because it's an in-person meeting, which means I might not be available every day. So I'm going to set some customized days that I'm available. So I'm going to tick that. Now you can pick a date range there if you only want this booking to be available within a certain time period. That doesn't matter necessarily for this, but I only want to be able to book face-to-face meetings on a Wednesday. So I'm going to cross out Monday, I'm going to cross out Tuesday, and I'm going to cross out Thursday and Friday. There are some advanced options here. Now this buffer meeting time is great because let's say if we're meeting in person and the meeting for me is at least 30 minutes away, then I want to put a buffer time in before and after. So I'll change that to 30 minutes and afterwards another 30 minutes because of course I need to get home after the meeting. Limit start time. This basically means that people can book within a certain interval. I'm going to leave that as 30 minutes. I don't want people to be able to book the same day as they receive this booking link. I want to give a minimum lead time of 1 day, but you can change this accordingly. If you're happy for people to book within a certain length of time, then on the same day, should I say, then you can change this by hour, but I'm going to put that as 1 day. And the maximum lead time, this is how far in advance that people can book, and I'm happy for people to book within the next year. But again, you can change that. 7 days, 14, 30. Email reminders are great. So this allows us to send a reminder to the person beforehand, just to give them a reminder. So you might choose to do it a day before or an hour before, Again, you can change the timings here. So we're going to give a reminder the day before, and the message is going to be, hi, looking forward to meeting with you tomorrow at the time scheduled. Best wishes, Jenna. And we're going to save those changes. So that's going to send them a reminder before. I don't like to send an automated follow-up. I want to personalise the follow-up after I've met them, because we may have discussed things that I wouldn't have known prior to the appointment. So I'm going to leave that blank today. So we're going to save that. Now we've filled everything in, and you can see here that it's brought up the one-to-one meeting in person. So now what I want to be able to do is see what that looks like. So if I click share meeting type, it's going to bring me up with a link. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to paste it into my browser, and there you have it. That's what it will look like for the person that you're going to send that link to. So you can simply pop that link into an email, and this is what they're going to get. So it's a one-to-one meeting in person. The duration is an hour. You can see it's given the description there, so that's what it looks like. They can only book on a Wednesday, which is brilliant. And also what that's doing is it's looking at the times I am actually available each Wednesday, so that it's not overwriting any appointments that I've already got in. So what this is doing is it's linking to your Outlook calendar, so it can pick the times that I'm available. So I'm going to pick, imagine I'm a client or a prospect or a person that's meeting. I'm going to pick 9 AM. When I click next, now because I'm already signed into Microsoft 365, it's already giving me my details here. If this person is not on Microsoft 365, it will allow them to book as a guest and then fill out their details here. You can add some notes if there's anything that the person would like to share prior to the meeting. That's up to them. And then I'm just going to hit book there. And what that's going to do then, that's going to send me an email in my diary to say that I've booked a meeting with Jenna, and then me as Jenna, it's also going to let me know that somebody's booked a meeting with me. So that's nice and easy. Hope that makes sense. Thank you very much for your time.